Hey guys, KDiani here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do knotless braids. So as you can see here, I'm going to be using the Xpressions pre-stretched hair to come in one pack. So I'm going to use one pack and I'm going to open another pack, but only use half of that second pack. So here you can see me like stretching out the hair, separating it and making it uneven, because leaving it just like that when you braid it, your pieces are going to be like straight. So before I even get into braiding, I do this and I put all the pieces I'm going to use for my other sections of hair. So here I'm going to show you like what are the sizes of the pieces I'm looking for when I do my braids. I don't really speak in like saying a quarter of this, half inch of that. I just go by eyesight. So those are the three pieces I'm going to be using. Those are the sizes. The one closest to my thumb is the third piece, so it's starting from the right is my first piece, the center was my second, and the third was by my thumb. So then I just place it in that order right there. So when I'm braiding and I want to insert the hair, I'll just grab it and put it in there. So here I'm going to pre-section the hair, you know, make it all nice and clean with some edge control. And pre-sectioning the hair makes it quicker for you and faster for you to, like, you know, get the job done, because once you finish one braid, you could just hop into the other one. You don't have to stop, section, pull apart the pieces of hair that you need to braid. Like, you already got everything set aside. So it's smart if you do it that way. So once I finish pre-sectioning the other sections, I'm going to split this section into three pieces to start braiding her hair. When I start braiding her hair, I usually braid like up to 2 times, no more than 2 times, and then I start adding hair. So I have my 3 sections, and then I'm going to start braiding. You want to have like a tight grip when you braid, so that way it doesn't like get loose on you. So once I turn it one more time, there we go, and then that's when I start adding hair. So usually I place the first piece of hair on top and I'll just start braiding, and then that second piece I'll pull it into my left hand, and then I'll braid again, grab another piece of hair, place it over my hand that's holding the braid in place. I'll use my left hand, grab that piece of hair with that piece of her hair on the left side, then I'll grab my right hand, pull it towards my left. So that's my index and my thumb. I pull that hair under my index and my thumb, and I start to braid. So I'm going to show you again and multiple times so you guys can see how I do it. It's really that simple. I know there's other ways that you can add the hair into the braid, but this is what I feel is more comfortable to me. If you have like any suggestions that I can use for the next time if I were to do some knotless braids, feel free to let me know down below, like anything better that I can do. but for the most part, this is really what works for me. I actually did my own knotless braids, but I didn't record it. I should have, but I didn't. So I just decided to record me doing my sister's own, so you guys can get a feel of how I do knotless braids. So this is the outcome, what it looks like. I was just making sure she liked the length, but this is what it looks like. Pretty good, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys again right here, and throughout the rest of the video. I don't think I'm going to be speaking anymore. So feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, mucho besitos.